Welcome back to Next Level Rides. In today's episode, we're with my buddy Ozzy and my buddy Taylor with his E92 Big Turbo N54. So stay tuned, we're going to have some fun. Look at the crack. Oh yeah, but it's cool to see. It's crack, like look at the crack, it goes all the way down. Okay, so the ice is at least a foot thick. It doesn't want to try.
Whoosh! Oh my god, Taylor!
What, you slip? Oh, thank you, robot arm, for not giving it to me.
It tried, you know? Trying is what matters sometimes.
I guess.
This will be a good sayonara for the transmission. Give it all the time. Let him get out of the way.
Trying to see where the track is. Because it's not the track that we were on.
No.
Damn.
Good car.
He's still trying.
didn't think he would stop.
It's pretty slick.
It's bad. Hit a paddle or you're just gonna fuck with you.
Super easy here.
You know what? At this rate, go right and just fuck send it through a few gears.
Oh!
I got a bath!
Oh, it's like super icy here.
You know, Tony, I know we're good friends, but I never thought I'd be having a bath with you. Sorry, Fred. Snow.
Well, if it cracks and it's going, it's probably cracking nice.
Yeah. No, this is where we were. Maybe. Yeah, this is like you're not walking on it. No way the car's moving on it.
Heat wrap is hot. I'm off the throttle. Like, stop spinning!
Transmission super toasty. Au revoir.
Oh, I can see the water. Hi, water.
See any fishy?
Checking.
None?
No fishy.
Oh, no fishy.
Oh, there's wood. Hi, wood.
Spinning round, round, baby, right round like a record band. Right round, right round.
Fuck. Yeah, that's definitely heat wrap. Cool, it's 109. It's okay. Just needs your water pumps working.
Good job, car. Watch, I think there's a huge snow pile somewhere in here.
Right there.
You probably smart enough. You probably hear or smell the heat wrap so much too because it's getting all soaked on the downpipe on the underneath.
Yep. That's exactly.
Hindsight probably should have been under trail.
Probably.
Other hindsight, I'm really lazy.
Look, Mono hands!
I smell fuel.
It's probably because we were sliding backwards near the exhaust. Okay. Look at the cracks. Ooh! Did you see that one?
No!
Holy shit!
Get me out! Get me out!
Look at, you see them?
No, get me out!
Okay, so it was cracking!
Taylor, I know you have paranoia about everything. Oh my god, look at the cracks!
Those are huge!
Fantastic. Thanks,
Like,
Tony.
it looked like it cracked and it was actually stepped off a few inches.
Fantastic. That makes me super better.
Okay, we're not going back there. Woo, boy! Alright. Might need to wipe the seat after, but...
She was due for a bath anyway.
Holy sh**. Those cracks were deep. Ozzy, where we were drifting around, you should see, we went over 2 times, and all of a sudden there was these big cracks. Huge.
Oh, wait.
Huge cracks.
You would fall into it.
I looked and I'm like, holy sh**. Like it looked like it was a few inches. It broke. Alright, I think everyone's cold. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.